as I step into my multiple numbers 3 and 9, 39, and also to cherish being in my 30s for the next 12 months. Gosh, did I actually reveal my age? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? But you know the palpitation of turning to be 40? It's too hard to digest the fact. It's like almost like sinking into it. Is it just about the numbers what people say? Or am I actually going to feel and behave being 40? Not sure of that. But I said to myself, let me just embrace those numbers with happiness, with joy, and just live it. It's better and easier to accept those turning points of life. And I did. So let me sum up 39 things what life has taught me. Happiness has no bounds when one compliments of that smile, which is very beautiful. So I always make sure to keep smiling. When you have a wish, when you desire something for yourself, when you start dreaming something for your own self more than that little need, make it a point to let that dream come to life, irrespective of the ifs and buts which are holding it tight. Make it a priority with what makes you happy. Wishes are meant to be fulfilled. Do you know what I've realized? The creams that my face is used to, once it's finished, not necessary that I have to continue using this. In fact, it's time to use the ones which I used earlier or to switch to a different one for my face to work even better. Happiness in growing your own vegetables at home and seeing them sprout is like having a baby. Productivity for me is planning ahead. I always make sure to write down the task that I need to do for the next day. It takes just 5 minutes of your time. I write down everything from the smallest things to the most important tasks. And now that I have it written down, it has to be ticked off before the end of the day. Heating my hair is something that I've totally given up, is what I would say. Maybe just once a year. I prefer to use my natural waves and natural curls just the way they are. Cian was actually Sean. Gosh. I can get rid of anything, literally anything. But not my belly fat. Giving credits to someone is really good. But for the things what you can't achieve in life, it's solely your responsibility. So stop blaming others for the things what you can't achieve in life. Me as a parent, I melt down faster than an ice cream does. I actually do. And I think that's absolutely all right. Happiness is not the designer saris or that exclusive color of sari that you managed to bring in, but it's the fact that you can still manage to fit into that blouse that you bought long time back. Am I actually turning to be forgetful with the age? Or is it because I just can't be bothered? The birthday parties, the anniversaries, to do this, to do that, phone numbers, the contact numbers. I mean, the phone is there, right? Always. If not, Facebook reminders and WhatsApp reminders are always there. So I rather blame the phone, not my age. Watching news and to know what's happening around me is very important. But I think it's very important we should know as to when to stop it. Too much of watching news causing anxiety and overflown with what's happening and overreacting to situation doesn't help me, at least. It causes a lot of stress and anxiety, and I think I should know when to stop, and I've learned it. I'm a girly girl who loves getting dressed, but when it comes to choosing shoes from classy to comfy, comfy is the top priority. The joy of eating a fresh fruit takes over all the hours spent of cooked food. I must say, this is just divine. I tend to do more tasks and more productive on a busy day despite having less hours of time on hand than the lockdown now having so much of time on hand. Gosh. doing things wholeheartedly. When you set your mind to do things wholeheartedly, you will achieve a great outcome with less time consumed. Say for instance, cooking in the kitchen, a professional doing his job, a student doing his homework. Rather than moaning about it, rather than stressing about it and building the pressure, if you enjoy what you do, you will get an excellent outcome. Kisses and cuddles from my babies are an instant remedy to relieve all kinds of stress and worries. Cooking has never been a headache, but what to cook is a big headache for me. The best way to get back is not to get back. Keeping your mind happy is such an essential thing for one's well-being. Your health, your well-being, your fitness is all to do with the state of mind. If you keep your mind happy, young, healthy, and keep it calm and keep it relaxed, you will see a tremendous change in your well-being. Did you actually know that big, nasty pimple that pops up sometimes, occasionally, or every month? I don't need to buy those wow cosmetics to get rid of that pimple. All I need is a toothpaste. The easiest way to annoy my kids is singing my own lyrics to their favorite song, especially when I'm driving. Havana unnana, oh na 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 na, Havana unnana, anana na na, Havana unnana.
Are you done?
As a child, I wasn't a fussy eater at all. You can ask my mom if you want to know. But when it came to eating upma, I was like, oh. But now, me as a mom, Re, ಇವತ್ತು ಉಪ್ಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? Hey, ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಆಯ್ತು ಉಪ್ಮಾ ಮಾಡಿ. It's been 1 week. Upma is so soothing.
Mum, what's for dinner?
Shall I make upma?
Oh, not again.
Hey, upma is so tasty, yeah?
You just made it.
Yeah, but it's so satisfying. It's so soothing. You can just gulp it off straight away, right?
Really?
Upma for today, okay? Upma for today. I have always had the child within me alive, with my children being my best buddies. Organizing for me is a time-saving element. I love the fact of keeping things organized. Say for instance, my wardrobe is quite tiny, but even in that tiny little wardrobe, I have my own section for summer wear, autumn wear, spring wear and winter wear. When I pull out one hanger, I make sure to put it back in its place in the evening. And coming to my kitchen, all my spices, all my masalas have to be back in its place. When I pick things up, I use them, I put it back straight into its place. They can't keep wandering around anywhere. My walk in the woods, naturistic walks, where I actually feel one amongst the nature. The birds chirping, the free flow of the waters glistening is my way of meditating. Mixing and matching clothes is a great way of making the most and giving a different look every time. Not necessary to have a big size of wardrobe with plenty of clothes filled in. What you give is what you get. Do you know what? When I was in my teens, I loved listening to music. And when I got engaged, I happened to express this to my fiancé, who is my so-called husband now. And he asked me, when you hear the song, is it the lyrics or is it the music what you like? I was like, acha, song ke do parts bhi hote hain? Leaving my home country has actually taught me the importance of each and everything in life. The ease of going out and eating idli, dosa, vada and sambar. To having those maids at home for even cleaning and dusting the house. I mean, achoo! The easiest way I digest my food is I never ever look into the calories. I mean, I seriously don't. And I never moan about, oh, I've eaten so much. God, how am I going to digest all that I've eaten? When I eat food, I just thoroughly enjoy the taste on my tongue and my stomach going full. Not that I'm a junk eater, I do eat a lot of healthy food as well, but I don't moan about what I eat. When I eat, I just enjoy. It's all about the taste buds, food, and stomach. No pressure on the mind to work it out. Oiling my hair, massaging my roots is not just about nourishing my hair for me. It's actually a great way of keeping myself calm and relaxed. I must say, my mind is far too productive. I create great content when I work just by myself. I badly need that me time. कब मेरे बच्चे स्कूल जाएंगे, कब मेरे पति ऑफिस जाएंगे, कब ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा? Making all the boring jobs like washing these vessels interesting is I sing aloud wholeheartedly. I mean, you don't need to have a good vocal to sing a song. All you need to do is sing a song wholeheartedly and enjoy the boring jobs also and make it very interesting, just the way I do every day. क्यों लम्हे खराब करे आ गलती बेहिसाब करे दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे. Working from home isn't that easy as I expected it to be. The smiles from unknown faces, unknown people instantly lifts up your smile, making it bigger and broader. For me, life without a food processor, not possible. I'm all finished and ready to go. This universe, this planet, the earth belongs to all the living things. It's not just yours, not just mine. We all have learned our lesson. Let's embrace ourselves and give enough space to all the living things, all the living creatures of the world, its own space.